Guys, so for my previous video, I said I was going to show you how to make very delicious salad. For people that don't generally like salad, like cold food like me, this is for you.
This is rocket. The rocket leaves. I think that's enough. I'm going to put it in the fridge. Then this is lettuce. I'm going to wash them. This is how I take them off. Individually take off the leaf, and then I'll wash it with salt. That's the plan.
So now I'm going to wash this off camera. So I'm going to wash it with the salt, as you can see. So now I'm grating carrots. So some time ago, I bought a bunch of corn and I stored it in the fridge. So right now I'm taking a bit of it out the freezer to boil it. And now I'm chopping up my carrot as well as my lettuce into a bowl. So now I'm adding my carrot into my washed lettuce as well as the rocket. So I'm slicing the hard cheese that I got. You can put as much as you want or as little as you want. So now I'm putting my olives that has no seeds inside as well as the corn is ready. Now is the fun part. This is the best part of it. So I have the balsamic vinegar. Pour it into the same bottle of olive bottle that I emptied out all the olive from this bottle, and I poured my balsamic vinegar into it. Now it's my extra virgin olive oil. I just eyeball it. I don't have any specific measurement in mind. And now it's honey. I pour honey. You can see how separated they are in the bottle. So when you set your preparation, all your vegetables in the bowl, you make sure you shake that mixture, the balsamic vinegar, the olive oil, as well as the honey. Make sure you shake it very well and then pour it all over your salad and enjoy. Now I was just, I stirred it and then I started eating it. That's because my chicken is still in the air fryer, but I couldn't wait, so I went ahead to start eating my salad. This I could eat every day. So here my chicken is ready and I added it to my salad. I literally can eat this every day. If you don't have apart from chicken, you can also add any protein like boiled egg, fried egg, tofu, salmon, anything. But yeah, that's my special recipe for salad. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.